Before I start this video, I want to make it clear that everything said in this video is alleged. I do not know for sure. I am making assumptions and there may be inaccuracies. Nothing I say should be taken as a legal fact. This is merely my opinion and I may very well be wrong. Hey everybody. So, yeah, this is interesting. I made this video talking about the Cardo custom subscription deal, saying was it a good or a bad idea. I was relatively fair, I think, in this assessment of the product. However, something very interesting came to my eye only an hour ago. If we go to the comments of my video, and I'm going to refresh my video here so we can see that this is fully up to date. It's all loading in. We're going to sort by, there we go, newest. And then we see this very long comment here from a person called Moto Geek Freak, who goes in and basically explains how he's so amazed at how like it all works out. And then we have someone here saying, thanks for the insights, agree 100%. Light bulb moment. Cardo Systems, thank you for taking the time to write this out. We appreciate these insights. When I read this, and I saw them there, well actually, honest, when I read this, I felt like it was a planted comment. And then I saw Cardo had commented on it as well. And the way that this has all arrived in the time that it did felt odd. And I said here, you can see, I'm very suspicious of that comment being a plant for you. I will be investigating a little deeper. Well, it didn't take much investigation. Oh no. You see, all you needed to do was where you can open Moto Geek Freak's thing and notice that, oh, all of his videos are on Cardo headsets. This almost looks like when an employee makes a load of tutorial videos for people when you release a product. Almost. But I don't know if this is all allegedly, of course, because I don't know for sure, but just it appears this way. And then we see this guy here. And when you go to his YouTube here, it comes up to this here. And when you look for him here on Instagram, it says he's here. And then you click on this, and then he works for Cardo. And then you're like, oh, okay. Who else commented? Nick Jackson. Interestingly, there appears to be a Cardo sales brand manager called Nick Jackson. I don't know if this is the same man or not. As I've said to them here, really? You really think this was going to work? I was making an open, honest discussion about the idea of the product, and you try a underhanded trick like that. In my opinion, and obviously I cannot prove this entirely, I believe that Cardo Systems, I believe this is an employee, this is an employee, and this is an employee, and they have made this up themselves for them to then put it into my video to try and give an argument, and then have employees using their own personal accounts with their own names on them to say, what a great idea. Not, thanks for putting it out. No, light bulb moment. Oh, thanks, the insights. I agree 100%. You work for them. And then using the official Cardo Systems account to comment that. And it took me, as you can see, my suspicions peaked 45 minutes ago, and I'd already worked this out, and 26 minutes ago I said that to them. The subscription system was a concern. If this is what it appears to be, this is way, way worse. I don't know what to say. Okay, well, I just recorded my video and edited it, and before I even got a chance to render that sucker, it would appear that my comments are now clear. Yeah. I just want to take this opportunity to thank the people who make my channel possible, that being my patrons and people who donate through PayPal. There are other methods also, all links in the description. This is exactly why I've been running my channel the way I have for the past 10 years. By not being beholden to companies, not taking ads and sponsorships, I don't rely on that continuing for me to run my channel. That is why it's supported by the audience and it's made for the audience, so I can give honest opinions on things and not worry that I'm not going to get a company work with me again in the future. By making this video, I am likely not going to get work with other companies, not just Cardo. And as I say, for that reason, that is why the support of this audience is so important. Thank you.